How to deactivate Instagram account temporarily. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. Once over here, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now head over to the section Account Center. Now navigate to the option Personal Details. Click on the option Account Ownership and Control. Now click on the option Deactivation or Deletion. Click on your Instagram username. Now check in for the option Deactivate Account. This is temporary and it means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account. Click Continue. Now enter your password. Now here you'll need to provide the reason why you want to deactivate your account. Select any of it, then click on Continue. Now click on Deactivate Account and just with that your account will be deactivated. If you want to reactivate your account, you can use your Instagram account's credentials and easily reactivate during 30 days. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.